Hi guys, my name is Abdulaziz. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be running a short tutorial about the new Microsoft Edge, the new browser that has been released for the macOS. As you do know, Microsoft Edge was released with Windows 10. It was available for the Windows platform. Okay, now Microsoft has released a new version for the macOS platform and has been released on Wednesday, January 15th of Jan 2020. So I'm just gonna run this quickly, a very short tutorial on how to download and where to go. So what we need to do is we open my Safari browser, and then I went to Microsoft.com, and as soon as you land on the landing page of the Microsoft website, if you scroll down a bit to the middle, you'll see on the right hand side the new Microsoft Edge. All you need to do is select for home users, because this is not for business. I'm a home user, so I'll click for home user, and then in here you should get a pop-up asking you to download it. So I'll click for download because we are already working on a Mac, so you understand that this is for macOS. I click on download, and then all we need to do is accept the terms and conditions. For some reason it went to it went to Italy. As you can see, the language is Italian. I'm not sure why, but yeah, but still I can accept it and say access. And what's happening is it's downloading, my browser Edge at the moment. As you can see here, if I look all the way up, I can see it's downloading Microsoft Edge. Okay, let me just cancel this because it's in Italian. I don't want to download it in Italian version, so let me go and check why it's still in Italian. So let me just go out from here and go to Microsoft, and then I'll click on it again to just make sure I'll get the English versions. Download the macOS, as you can see. Let me click on it. Yeah, now we have a version, the English versions. I'm not sure what happened early on, but as you can see now I can accept the terms and conditions and click accept and download, and the download is started again. As you can see on my Safari, the English download is in here coming through, and I stopped the Italian version, so I've got the English version coming through now. As you can see, I'm just waiting to be finished, and I can close this pop-up now, just waiting for it to finish. So as you can see now, Microsoft, this is the new Microsoft Edge for macOS, and then usually it's for Windows users. So if you're a Windows user, you would click on this button on the left hand corner, but since we're interested for the macOS, we're just waiting for it to finish. And just for your information, guys, I'm running macOS Catalina. Let me just show you. If I click on the Apple menu about this Mac, you can see I'm on the macOS Catalina, which is the latest version of macOS that was released last year in October, and 2019 I'm on version 10.15.2. so this is definitely for a Mac OS. As you can see, I'm running the latest version of Mac OS, and this is the new version of Microsoft Edge for the Mac OS. Microsoft has never released any browser, either Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. They never released a version for the Mac OS platform. This is the first time, so it's called Microsoft Edge Chromium, and this is for Mac OS. We're just waiting for the download to finish, and then I'll run the installation for you guys, and then we should be able to see what Microsoft Edge looks like on a Mac OS. Yeah, download going. It's a bit slow, but it's still going there, so I'm just waiting to finish. So I go still about 2 minutes to go. We're not that far. I'm about 67 or 61 meg out of 189. So my internet's a bit slow tonight, so we're just gonna wait patiently and wait for it. Just explore, at the moment what to expect. World-class performance for more privacy, more productivity. As you can see, they go for macOS, they go for iOS, and they go for Android as well. So if you're interested to have it on your phone, you can download from the Apple Store. There's an iOS version. If you have an Android, then you can go to the Google Play Store, and then you can download it, the Google Play Store. There's a version for the Android as well, so really nice. why not, you guys can explore it depending on what device you use as a mobile, iOS or Android. Options are there, so why not just explore it and see, if you like it, then why not, if not, then you can always remove it from your device. Almost there, the installation is almost finished. Let's have a look. I mean, it's going to be like any other browser, so you'll be able to use it easily, so it won't take you time, to use the new browser. It's just like, a Microsoft browser for the macOS, which is a novelty. It's the first time, so just I would like to know and explore it. Why not, try a new product and test it to see, if you would like to use it, or use Safari or Google Chrome or Firefox. I haven't installed any other browser yet. I've just got the Safari. I usually use Firefox as well on my Windows 10 and on my Mac sometimes as well, but I never installed on this one. I've got two Macs, so I never installed any other browser. This one is only the Safari, as you can see at the moment. I don't have any other, browser on this laptop, so I'm just using Safari. But this is a chance to download the new version of Microsoft Edge for macOS. Almost there. Yeah, almost there. If you guys not subscribed before, you can subscribe to my channel. And I've already released 2 videos on how to upgrade with macOS Catalina and how to use macOS. It's a basic, tutorial. It's about 30 minutes. macOS Foundations. Yeah, the download is finished now, so I'll go back to Safari. Then we're going to try to run it. Okay, let's click on the download and run the new Microsoft Edge. Yeah, continue, install. I need to put your password for your user account for the macOS. I'm going to put my password, which is, I'm an admin on this account, so I'm just going to put my admin password. So you should put your password as well, that's all to it. And then install software. It's going to go through the validation of the package, and then it should install quickly. It shouldn't take too long. This is less than a minute, so it's going to be fast. Yeah, Microsoft. Yeah, successful. Yeah, I don't want to keep it and move it to the pin. Yeah, there we go. So glad to have you. As you can see, guys, quickly installed. Yeah, allow to get notification. Why not just allow? Inspirations. It's just like, they want to offer you a tour. Choose a look for a new tab. Inspirational, information, focus. So we'll do focus. Or let's go for information. So I'm not sure. We're just exploring together. Import your browser from. No, I don't want to import any of my what do you call? As you can see, the feel and look is totally different from Safari. And yeah, let me just explore, and then let's have a look. If you want to open a new tab, you can click on this little thread, what do you call it, dot in there, and here you can open a new tab, new windows, history. You can clear your history from here. Download extensions. Yeah, interesting. Okay, if you want to open a new tab, you can click on the plus sign. Then you can open a new tab. Go to Google. Just as a demonstrations. That's all, guys. Okay, go back to the first page, and then yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make a full screen. Yep. Let me go to this one and say no thanks. Yeah, I mean, if you're here, if you want to sign in, you can sign in, then your profile will show up in here. This is the store. If you click on these 3 dots, so you can open new windows, new tab, new private windows. In here, then we're on private mode. Okay. And here we can browse it, so no problem. Let me go back in here, just show you the different options. If you want to clear your history, then you can do it in, what is it, in here to import your favorite. You can manage your favorite in this side. If you want more tools, yeah, Case Media, settings. This is your settings for the Microsoft Edge. If you want to set up your privacy settings, you can do more restriction if you wish to do more restrictions. If you want to change the appearance of it, then you can show menu bar, the favorite here on a new tab by default. On a startup, if you want to have a startup, open a new tab or continue where you left it. Then you can change and select which option you want. Open a new page, site permissions. If you want to allow location services, the microphone, the camera. This is where you can control all of these, different features within the Microsoft Edge for macOS system. And reset settings. If you want to reset settings, that's where you want to do it. Okay, let me go back. Go out from here. We go out. Go out again. We go out from settings, and we're back on the Google Chrome webpage that I uploaded. Here we go, guys. This was a quick tutorial. So this is Microsoft Edge for macOS. As you can see, it's similar to any other web browser like Safari, Firefox, Google Chrome. It's just Microsoft trying to get into the macOS world, and it's the first time they're doing it to offer a browser for the macOS users. I think it's a good start, why not? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, you can subscribe it, as I usually release, a new video every few weeks, and then you can be part of my subscribers. If you like it, just give it a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll be releasing another video following up the video that I've released 2 weeks ago about macOS Foundations. I'll be doing a new features for macOS Catalina. So guys, if you subscribe, then you'll get a notification whenever I release new videos. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like to give it a thumbs up, and take care. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. Thank you.